Alright, here we have an older wall clipper. This happens to be model CMCO. Looks pretty old. Yeah, my barber friend sent me a few of these over to fix for him. One needs a cord. I'm going to do that in a separate video. And two of these need probably just cleaning. So let's take this apart and see what's wrong with it. I guess first we're going to plug it in and see what's wrong with it. Yeah, this is a pretty old one. It's probably the oldest out of the three. The screws are flat blade, not in Phillips. So let's turn this on. See what happens. It's making a lot of noise, but it ain't doing much of anything. So we either got to adjust it or we got to clean it. I think we're going to have to clean it. So we'll take the screw out. Yeah, not the right screw for that. Let's try this. Just taking the screws out of the blade here, the front blade. What we're going to do is clean it out, oil it up, see if we can get this thing to work right. Guaranteed it's loaded with hair. Yeah, definitely loaded up with hair. We'll take this blade off real easy like that. Take our cleaning brush. I want to get the blade clean as possible. I'm going to wipe that off. This blade, same thing. It's a little dirty. Yeah, this is really dirty. Now I just got to clean the dirty hair out of there with the cleaning brush. We could do that over the trash can though. Okay, I cleaned it out over the trash over there. Spared you the details. Let's make sure this thing's working right. Yeah, it's working right. Alright, so we're going to start putting it back together. When it's loud like that, we're going to back up on this. Yeah, this one might need more work than I thought, so we're going to take it apart. Alright, so this one's not acting right, so we're going to take it all the way apart. Let's throw all the pieces over here. First we'll take the spring back out, get it out of the way. Alright, next we're going to take out the two top screws here. Okay. Oh, I got two screws in the back. Ugh. See, it's a mess inside here. Anyway, we're going to clean that out. Don't lose none of your screws. These are broken in the back. Alright, I'm going to clean it out and we'll be right back. Alright, we got it all cleaned out. It looks like the problem is this screw here is loose. And this screw here is loose, but not as loose as this one. This one's all the way out. So that's why we're not getting anything. It's actually like a little tattoo machine in there. So I'm going to see if we could, if this is broke or if it just came loose. It looks like it just came loose. Tighten that up. Tighten this one up. Tighten it down. Okay. These things are just broken in the back, so I'm just going to put them back on the way they were. Yeah, we're just going to put them back on. Okay, we're just going to put it back together the way it was and see if it works again. Alright, put our spring back in. That's why it was acting funny. Everything was loose inside. This is just an adjustment to make it See how we're getting it centered by adjusting it? Try it like that. I'm going to plug it back in. See how it works. It's loud, but it's working. You can see our thing is nice and centered right there. So now we just got to put the blades back on, drop of oil, and we'll be good to go. So first this goes on, this plastic piece here, drop of oil, not too much. So we're gonna it's gonna get a lot of hair in there if we put too much. I guess we should put a drop of oil on our blade too, especially on the wear spots. It'll spread, so. Get our screw started. Keep them loose so we can make our final adjustment. Our final adjustment is to push this back, make it nice and even on both sides. Doesn't have to be perfect. Make it tight. It has to be tight. Alright, let's see if it's working. We gotta loosen it up a little bit. There we go. Might have to be a little looser. That's it. That's another one down. You see, you can fix it yourself. Just take it apart. Don't be afraid. You're going to buy a new one anyway, so take it apart and fix it. Thanks for watching.